I don't care what you use to mount your phone to your tripod, they're all terrible. Whether it's one of these screw or one of those spring-loaded models, none of them work very well. The world has moved on now that there's this Mosenvka Magsafe mini tripod that was sent to me as a sample, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. Like most of you, I've had so many tripod mounts for my phones. Every time I'm hopeful, but always end up disappointed. Even if they're wide enough to fit a phone with a phone case, which they usually aren't, the spring-loaded ones either drop the phone or launch them across the room, while the screw-down ones take forever to set up and take down. Getting this MagSafe mini tripod changes everything. Of course, a lot of people just look at it as a convenient little mini tripod for desktop use, and they like the little hanger feature that allows you to hang it from the wall, or the selfie or tabletop configuration options. And the magnet is ridiculously strong. Just look at how well it holds on to my phone. But the real killer app here isn't the tripod. It's replacing your phone mounts for your bigger tripods with this. So it has two of these quarter 20 mounts, which means anywhere you can mount a regular phone holder on a tripod, you can mount one of these. Or if you prefer, you can also use it in an Arca Swiss configuration. And don't worry if you don't know what that means, it's not a big deal. And that means you can mount and dismount the phone in a fraction of the time. No more frustrations with spring-loaded nonsense or clunky screw tightening. And it's so easy to level your video because MagSafe is round. So you just twist your phone until it's level. The magnets will hold it at any angle. So yeah, that's right, you don't even need a ball head anymore. All I can say is finally. So yeah, it's a super cool folding mini tripod, and maybe that's all you want or all you need, but for me, the thing that matters most is using it to hold my camera when recording video with a real tripod. I hope this short video has been useful in your MagSafe mini tripod and phone mount purchasing decision, and thanks for watching.